everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious Arbi. I'm going to make masaledar. It's going to be full of spices. I have a 2-pound Arbi, cumin seed, green chili, ginger, garlic 1 teaspoon each. All other spices will be half teaspoon. Coriander powder, salt, turmeric powder, black pepper, cumin powder, garam masala and degi mirch. Anardana powder. If you don't have anardana powder, you can substitute with lemon juice. The reason I'm using it because Arbi tends to slime a lot. We're going to boil this first, then I will show you how to make masaledar and tasty Arbi. And for our tadka, we're going to use olive oil. The first step will be getting a pressure cooker. We're going to place the Arbi inside. We really don't need to wash it. If there is a lot of dirt, it's a good idea to wash it. Now we're going to fill with the water. We just need enough water so that it will soak inside. We're going to place the cover. And we'll take this one to our gas and we're going to cook for 1 whistle. Turn on the gas and we're going to keep the pressure cooker and we're going to wait for the 1 whistle. We have our first whistle and I'm going to turn off the gas and now we're going to let it sit until the pressure subsides. Then we're going to open it. The pressure cooker has been cooled down. I'll open it. I'll place into the strainer and we're going to take the Arbi out. We're going to let it cool down and once we can handle it, then we're going to peel the skin off. Once it cools down, then we're going to take the skin off. Peel off very easily. Some of them it won't, so you just have to make sure that you just peel it like this. So just be careful, don't burn yourself. So once we peel it, we'll put it into the plate. Continue doing the same step. Make sure that we peel it. So I'm going to finish up the rest the same way. I'm almost done. 1 more to go. This is the last one. All the Arbi is nicely peeled. And now this is what we need to do. Each Arbi we're going to cut right in the middle, just like this. This is perfect. So each Arbi just cut in right in half, just like this. So I'll finish up cutting all these the same way. And let's start making our delicious masaledar Arbi. I'm going to start the gas and I'll get the fry pan. Add olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Make sure all the bottom is nicely coated. First we're going to bring cumin seed, jeera. Mix it, give like 10 seconds. This is good enough. We'll add garlic. Ginger, mix it well. Cook for 20 seconds. This is good enough. Add green chili. I'm going to bring all the spices as well. Salt, coriander powder, turmeric powder, black pepper, cumin powder, garam masala, degi mirch. Mix them well and we're going to cook the spices along with tadka for half minute. Cooking for half minute, this is all we need. Our masala is nicely cooked. I'll bring Arbi. Arbi is nicely boiled, so we're going to make sure that we separate out each pieces and we're going to make sure that it's nicely coated with masala. We're going to make sure that it's nicely coated each pieces. Once all the Arbi pieces are nicely coated with all the spices, This is what we need. And keep it gas on low. You don't want to cook on high gas because Arbi is cooked, it's already boiled. We just have to make sure that it's coated with all the spices. As you see, it's a nicely coated. I get the lemon, it's a fresh lemon. I'm going to squeeze it right on top of it. We're going to do half lemon on this side and half lemon on the other side. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. It's exactly 3 minutes. I'm going to open the lid. And now it's very important. We're going to turn each pieces over again. The same thing. What we did earlier, we coated it and we left it like this. And now we're going to turn each pieces. So just like this. So you can see it, how we are turning them over. Only reason we're doing it, so that, as you can see, it's nicely getting crispy on this end. On the top, it's all masala is there, but it's not crispy. So that's why we will need to turn them over. So as you see, all the pieces are nicely turned over. One more to go. This is the last one. This is looking perfect. Now we're going to get half lemon more and we're going to make sure that we put it on top of it. This is perfect. And cover with the lid again. And we're going to cook an additional 3 minutes. And keep it gas low. And depending on your burner, keep it medium low. Since I have a big burner, I'm keeping it on low. Another 3 minutes of cooking with the closed lid. I'll open it. Our delicious masaledar Arbi is all ready. I have my serving platter ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. And I'm going to dish out. Look at this. How delicious Arbi and easy to make. This is the perfect side dish. And fresh chopped parsley. And if you don't have a parsley, please use cilantro, which is dhania. So tasty and delicious and quick and easy masaledar Arbi is all ready. You can serve as a side dish, and this is the perfect appetizer. It will be a perfect combination with the paratha, roti, chapati, naan, fulka, I mean, name it. So please try it and share your comments below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.